This is the Iron Trader. It is Monday morning, so it's time to go to work. So, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, October 4th here, that is going to be the OPEC meeting. So, we have to stay sharp and keep your eye on what they say and what actually comes out of that meeting. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Okay, so let's just see where we are right now. Okay, so what we had here on Thursday had a big red candle, okay? Then Friday we had another red candle here, but again, it's holding this key 8 SMA. That's very, very important. So far today, we have just an inside day. So again, if we can go higher, what you want to do is you want to look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 91.39, and then we want to look at Friday's high. Okay, always look at the previous day high. So you're looking at 93.10, and then this candle up here is you basically have 94.17, and then your retest up there is 95.03. That is your upside on your daily chart. Now, again, if you can close above that, this is that 93.74 I've always been pointing out here. Now, that 95.03 basically came in play on this candle right here. Okay, see that? That's 95.05. It went up to 95.03. So if it can close above this 95.05, then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 95.76. And then here you have 97.66. Okay, so that would be your next price channel. If you can get higher, then what we do, we come up here, is you have 98.65, and then you want to go 100 flat. That's always psychological. And then we want to come here. You're looking at 199, and then we have this candle right here at 101.88. That is your next level. And again, if you can keep on rising, then we come to this candle here. Okay, you got 105.05 here. We have 111.16. We'll have 111.45, and then we have 114.05. That is your next level. And then the next level up on top of here is 123.68, and then 130.50. That is your big target. The key is a close above this price channel here at 95.03. Basically, this candle here, which is basically your 95.05. That is exactly what we're looking for here. Now, on the downside here, well, what we want to do is watch this 8 SMA here. This is going to be key. Now it's sitting at 91 flat. If that is lost, then we're going to look down here to this 21A sitting at 89.59. And then again, if that's lost, then we come to this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 88.37. And this candle here is going to be very, very important here. This is that 88.19, which lines up very nicely with the top of this candle at 88.07. Okay, that was your breakout candle right there. Okay, so that's going to be your key support. Then again, if it's lost here, then we just follow the candles all the way on down here. So you have 87.22, you have 86.71 here. Then we have 86.15, and then we have your 50 SMA here sitting at 84.60. That is going to be very, very key support level. So you want to watch that 8 SMA here today. That's going to be very key. If that's lost, then we come right over here to your 21 SMA here, and then if that's lost, your big target is going to be your 50 SMA here. Now, when you look at the whole overall chart here, and you look at your RSI, well, what you want to do here on your RSI here is I've been pointing out right here, this negative divergence, okay? So when you look at here, what do we have? The same thing. So you have a high, and then you have a lower high here, and then you have a lower low there, and you have a higher high. See that negative divergence again, okay? So if it rolls over, it could be just like this right here. But we don't know that yet. We got to just see is as long as it holds this 8 and 8 and this 21 SMA here, then you're looking pretty good. Okay, let's take a look here at the old natural gas. Okay, here we have natural gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, I've been pointing out this candle right here, okay? This is sitting at, the low is sitting at 2.85. It came down here Friday 2.855. So you had a nice higher low. That was your time to your scalp, right on up here. Now it couldn't get above. It made a high of 2.97, but it couldn't clear this 2.99. So now it's coming on down here. So now what you want to do is watch this 100 SMA here, sitting at 2.86. And then we want to look at this 2.855 and then this 2.85 flat. That is going to be key. Now, again, if that's lost, you can come all the way down to this 200 SMA here, 2.77. But remember, this is the bottom of this candle is the gap. And then we looked at the top of this candle right here, okay, sitting at 2.65, basically 2.66. That is going to be your fill, okay? So if it loses that 2.85, it could come the 200-day and then always watch that fill because gaps and fills are like a magnet to a fridge. But right now we got some good sideways action. You need to go above this 2.97 and then you can have a retest there of your 2.99. Now on your 4-hour chart, same thing. You just got a nice sideways action. Watch the gap in the fill here. And then what you want to do on the upside is watch this 21-day sitting at basically 2.92 and then your 8-day right above that, basically 2.92 also. So watch that level on the upside and then watch that 2.85 there on the downside. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, your weekly, basically, you got a red candle here to start. No big deal. It's early yet. The key is going to be that 3.018. If you get above, then we look at that 50 SMA here, sitting at 3.26. And then if you get above that, this is your big target. This is what I've been looking for here for months, is this 3.77. Again, it's going to need a catalyst. You're going to need some kind of disruption. You're going to need a cold winter. You're going to need huge draws. You're going to need something here to blast this on up. Okay, on your daily chart here, well, here's what we have. Okay, so far today, it's just an inside day. Okay, so you always want to watch this candle right here. Okay, so this is sitting at 2.86. That's your bottom. And then Friday's candle, your low there, sitting at 2.855. Then we look at this candle right here. There's their 2.85. That's your gap. And then top of this candle right here, there's your 2.66. That's your fill. Now, in the meantime, though, there is other support here. So you're looking at that 2.77 level. You're looking at your 200-day here, sitting at 2.75. And then you have your 21-day at 2.71. And then we have your 50-day here at 2.68. And then you can have your gap fill. But usually these gaps get filled, not necessarily today, but if you look at, say, like this gap here, okay, you left the gap here, sold down, and then rallied right on up. Now, all that being said here, see this candle here, you had a low, and then we have a higher low, and then we have a higher low, okay? That's a very, very bullish pattern when you start getting those series of higher lows. Now, if this just stays sideways action, well, that's all good and fine. That works out pretty good then. So what we want to do here is you want to look at the top of this candle here for the upside. So you want to look at 2.94, and then today's high, you had basically 2.95, and then we have 2.98, and then there's your retest at 2.99, and then this candle here, there's your 3.018, but always watch this candle right here. This is going to be key. This is the 3.027. A close above that, then you're right there. That's what you're going to be targeting real quickly, is going to be that 50-day, and then above that, you can hit this nice 200-day. This is what I've been looking for here for months. So basically, watch Friday's high and low. Okay, 2.997 on the high, 2.855 on the low. Right now, inside day here, we'll see how it all shakes out. All right, I'll have more for you on Neo Crude and Natty Gas here after the pit close today. And thanks for watching.